Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome back to Yoga with Jade and Mel. Today, we're going to help our backs feel strong, happy, and tall. Before we start, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so we can keep doing yoga together. Let's begin. Standing tall, feet grounded, arms by sides, chest open, confident, calm stance. Stand tall. Bring hands to hips or raise them gently upward. Arch slightly back while keeping neck comfortable. From all fours, walk the hands forward and melt the chest down while keeping hips stacked over knees, forehead or chin on mat. From forward fold, lift your chest halfway. Place hands on shins. Keep back long and flat. Gaze slightly forward. On all fours, drop belly slightly, lift chest and head, shoulders relaxed, gentle smile. On all fours, round your spine toward the sky. Tuck chin to chest, arms straight, belly pulled in. Kneel down, sit back on your heels, fold forward with arms stretching forward, forehead resting on the mat. Lie on your belly with hands under shoulders. Gently lift your chest while keeping elbows close to the body, shoulders relaxed. Lie on your belly, lift chest, arms, and legs gently off the ground, keeping neck long and gaze down. Lying on back, knees bent, feet grounded, hips gently lifted. Lie on your back and gently hug both knees toward your chest. Keep your shoulders relaxed on the floor and your lower back soft. Lying flat on back, legs relaxed, arms by sides with palms up, soft belly, eyes closed, peaceful expression. Let's rest here and take slow, happy breaths together. Inhale and exhale, letting your back relax and feel strong. Amazing job, yoga buddies! You did such a wonderful job taking care of your strong and happy back. If you enjoyed this class, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you love. See you next time on Yoga with Jade and Mel. Namaste!